Okay children, the next topic which we are going to discuss today is isotopes. Isotopes, if we talk about isotopes, we can define them as atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. They have similar atomic number but different mass number. For example, hydrogen. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Hydrogen with atomic number 1 and mass number 1. Another hydrogen with atomic number 1 and mass number 2. And hydrogen with atomic number 1 and mass number 3. So these are the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. If we try to draw the structures of their atoms, what do we see? In the center there will be a nucleus and one outermost shell. Since atomic number is 1, that means there will be 1 proton, because atomic number is equal to the number of proton and number of electron. So since atomic number is written here, this is atomic number below and above is mass number. So atomic number 1 means number of protons 1 and number of electrons also 1, which we will draw outside in the orbit. And what is mass number? Mass number is also 1. And mass number is actually what? Sum of proton and neutron. So if sum of proton and neutron is 1, that and already 1 proton is present, that means there will be 0 neutrons in this. This isotope of hydrogen is known as protium. Then second isotope, if we draw the structure, it is 1 proton, 1 neutron and 1 electron. So 1 proton plus 1 neutron will make it mass number 2 and atomic number is 1, that means proton 1, electron 1. This is known as deuterium. This isotope is known as deuterium. Then third one is nucleus. In nucleus there is 1 proton because atomic number is 1. And how many neutrons? 2 neutrons. Because then only 1 plus 2 will become mass number 3 and electron 1. This third isotope is known as tritium. This third isotope of hydrogen is actually radioactive in nature. Radioactive because of the extra neutrons, it keeps throwing certain radiations, giving out some radiations, and that's why it is also known as radioisotope. Tritium is a radioactive substance. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen, similar atomic number but different mass number. Why the mass number is different? Because of the different number of neutrons. Now the next, if we talk about the next isotope, next example of isotopes, we can take the example of carbon. Carbon also has 3 isotopes. Let me show you the isotopes of carbon. Carbon has 3 isotopes. Carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 12. And carbon, atomic number 6, atomic number will be same, mass number 13. Carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 14. So these are the 3 isotopes of carbon. So here, if you see these 3 isotopes of carbon, number of proton and electron will be 6. And what will be the number of neutron? 12 minus 6, that is 6 neutron. Here in the second isotope, again proton is equal to electron 6 and neutron will be 13 minus 6, that means 7 neutrons. And the last one, proton, electron 6 and neutron will be 14, that is mass number, minus atomic number 6, that is 8. So that means number of neutrons is again different, and these 3 are the isotopes of carbon. When you draw the structure, you will show these 6 electrons in the outermost shells. 6 electrons means 2, 4. 2 in the first shell, K shell, and 4 in the L shell. So like this you will draw in the orbits, first orbit 2, second orbit 4 electrons, and inside the nucleus you will have 6 protons, and neutrons you will keep increasing 6, 7, 8 every time. This third isotope, that is atomic number 6 and mass number 14. This isotope of carbon is also radioactive in nature. Radioactive isotope. Now the next example which I am going to take is example of chlorine. Chlorine has 2 isotopes. Let me show you isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine has 2 isotopes. Chlorine atomic number 17, atomic mass number 35. Another with chlorine atomic number 17 and mass number 37. So here again proton and electron will be similar, 17. In this also proton and electron 17, and number of neutrons will be what? 35 minus 17, and here also neutrons will be 37 minus 17. So this will become 15 minus 14 minus 7, 15 minus 7, 8. So this will become 18, and this is number of neutrons, 7 minus 7, 0, 3 minus 1, 20 neutrons. So here again number of neutrons is different in the isotopes, you can very clearly see. Now if we talk about the isotopes, since isotopes have same atomic number, and because of the similar atomic number they have same number of electrons, so they have same electronic configuration also. Like chlorine, both the chlorines, chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737, both of them will have electronic configuration 287. Now you very well know the chemical properties of an atom depends on the outermost shell of an atom, number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. So whether it is chlorine 1735 or chlorine 1737, both will have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. That means isotopes have same chemical properties. Why they have same chemical properties? They have same chemical properties because of same atomic number, and thus same number of proton and electron. So they have same chemical properties. But if we talk about the physical properties like boiling point, physical properties, boiling point, density, then since the mass number is different and physical properties depend upon mass number, so isotopes have different physical properties. So these isotopes, you can be asked to draw the structures of various isotopes of hydrogen or chlorine or carbon. You can be asked the reason for the similar chemical properties, reason for the similar physical properties. So you can be very easily answering on the basis of this. This is all for today, children. We'll proceed with the same chapter in the next class. Thank you.